Now, they've been part of our, daily lives for almost 2 years. We're talking about masks. You probably have a few, in your bag or your purse lying around. So starting today, you're going to want to grab them. We'll have to put them back on when we go to indoor public spaces.
I used to use them as pocket squares.
That's a good idea.
I have two right behind me. Statewide mandate now officially in effect with this. It comes as the Omicron variant continues to spread across the country. The U.S. has also hit a somber milestone here. More than 800,000 people have died from the virus since the start of the pandemic. News 8's Dana Marie McNichol joining us live now to explain just how long this mask mandate is expected to last here. Dana Marie?
Well, Eric, they're going to stick around for quite a while. Right now, that date is January 15th, and then that will be reassessed depending on those cases. Now, I'm here at the Ralph's parking lot in Mission Valley, where I've seen a lot of people come in and out, all with masks on. So if you've been out and about today, you know the mask mandate is in effect. Now, I'm going to tell you some of the key details of what to look out for here and some of those changes. So regardless of your vaccination status, you will need to wear a mask indoors. Also, state officials will tighten restrictions for mega events. That's people 1,000 or more at events. Now, if you're not fully vaccinated, you will need to show a negative COVID test within 1 day of that event, if it's a rapid antigen test, or within 2 days for a PCR test. State officials are also recommending, but do not require, that people who travel to California or return from another state get tested. Now, I was speaking with people in the parking lot. Some of them are excited about this mask mandate, say that it's important to make sure people stay safe during this holiday season. Others are frustrated because they are vaccinated and are back to wearing masks.
Yes, it's a good idea to mask up. Yes. I know some other city like El Cajon, they don't want it. But I think I have to do it. I agree.
I walked into Ralph's without it on first, and then I noticed everybody had a mask on. Kind of surprised me because I didn't think that everybody would take it as seriously as they do.
We are seeing some public figures speak out against this mask mandate. Richard Bailey, the mayor of Coronado, took to social media this morning to say that they will not be enforcing the statewide mandate, that city of Coronado. Also, the Let Them Breathe community is resisting this new indoor mask mandate. They held a rally today in Escondido at a coffee shop. We did hear from that owner. His name is David Chaddick, and he said that he's not enforcing this mask mandate with his customers.
So we believe that every individual has the right to choose for themselves what's best for themselves. And so from the very beginning of the mandates a year ago up until now, our policy hasn't changed. We're going to let people choose what they want to do and what they think is best for themselves.
Now, in terms of who is responsible for enforcing this mask mandate, the California Department of Public Health said it's ultimately up to local jurisdictions to enforce this mandate. Now, a couple of facts for you. San Diego County 7-day average is 19.8 cases per 100,000 people. So the state said because of the spike over Thanksgiving, this is why this new mask mandate is in place, and it is in set right now until January 15th before it gets reassessed. So remember, this is your reminder, if you're not out yet, you will see people wearing masks as it is in effect today.